Good day everyone. Magtest lang tayo ng order, cash on delivery ni Sir Nilo Sibug of Plaridel, Bulacan. So ang order ni Sir WE 1911. So ito yung unit. Yan, brand new, untested. So ite-test natin siya for 5 shots. Ite-test din natin yung magazine for leak. Cash on delivery ito. So, ang binayaran lang sa amin ni Sir Nilo Sibug is yung shipping fee. So, yung total amount ng order niya, which is yung unit, green gas, tsaka BBs, tsaka pure silicone oil, is sa rider niya babayaran. So, check natin yung magazine for leak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Walang leak. Walang leak. Test natin for 5 shots. Sa mga gustong mag-order dyan, cash on delivery po tayo. Pwede pong cash on delivery, pwede pong payment first. Nationwide po yan yung cash on delivery. Pag payment first, sir, mas mura ang shipping fee. Mas mataas lang po ng konti ang shipping fee ng cash on delivery kasi meron po siyang service charge. So, 5 shots. Buksan na natin yung unit. WE 1911. Full metal po ito. So, silver ang meron kami. Yan. Very classic. Okay. Ayun yung BB. Saan na? Ayun. For Sir Nilo Sibug of Plaridel, Bulacan. WE 1911. Firing. Okay. Wala ng BB. Line 10. Hammer down. Thank you very much, Sir Nilo of Plaridel, Bulacan. WE 1911.